How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can do the space background in Geometry Dash. So the first thing that you want to do is to transfer or change the background color into black. And basically from here, you want to navigate through this category, and then we want to use the particle trigger. Now, you want to apply the following settings, so just follow my lead. Click the Edit Special. For max particle, let's do something like 1500. For the duration, leave it at default. For lifetime, you want to do something like 1000. For the emission, 1500. For the angle, -90. For speed, 3. For the pause var x, 500. And the last three right here is going to be 0. This one is going to be 30, 90, 0. In here, we also have 500, and then we have 0, 0, and 0. So just click on the texture button. In here, you want to click on this specific button right here, which will illustrate this star effect. From there, click visuals. And then once again, you want to follow my lead. For this one, we have 6, and the end size is going to be also 6. So with the rest one, you can just leave it at default, and when you click on the OK button, it will actually show up right here. Now, the last thing that we want to do is to simply make this star effect follow our player. So head over to the triggers option, click move, and then you want to group this particle into group 1. So click edit group, place it onto a free group, and from here, click edit object. And then you want to make sure to make the move time unlimited, so 99999. The target group is going to be group 1, and then you want to lock the player on the X right here. So if you click on OK, it will actually follow our player. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.